Just want some ice cream, man. Ridiculous. I'm making my own ice cream. Did it work?
Yeah, I think so.
Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream, don't we? We're gonna make some. I'm Hollywood with Smash Bros. Let's do it. So, first thing, obviously, need a lot of sugar, right? That's why I like ice cream. We're gonna go with a 3/4 cup scoop here of regular old white sugar.
Your bag is leaking real bad, bud.
Good, that's perfect. Neat. Get a better bag than that. Pioneer is better.
Well, if you spill it, part of the recipe.
Part of the recipe, obviously. Next, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. A lot of recipes you'll find on the internets, or even if you buy your ice cream maker, it'll say, make sure you get the fine sea salt. It doesn't matter, just dissolve the salt. It's fine, it's good. We have here three little matcha powder guys. So we're gonna make some green tea ice cream.
Okay.
You know? Because we had them. So why not? Swoop that in there. That's right. That'll make a sweet, awesome green color. And it'll taste a little bit like green tea. We have our matcha powder in there. Next ingredient is the milk. Whole milk, the red cap. Gotta have the whole milk. That, we're gonna do 1 cup. Plus 1/4 cup. And lastly, our heavy whipping cream. Gotta get the heavy whipping cream. I'll do 1 cup. Plus 3/4 cup.
Cream.
Cream. The creme, if you will. Almond extract.
Ooh.
Half a tea. Boop, boop. Why? Because there's more extracts than vanilla, okay? Use them.
And almond is good.
Yeah, it's good. It'll be great.
Almond is so good.
So, we're gonna bring this to, I'm gonna put it on medium. Now, we are literally just dissolving the sugar and salt. That is it. Fun fact about ice cream, it wasn't available to peasants, if you will, until the 1600s. It was reserved for royalty only. Another fun fact, George Washington, in the year 1790, allegedly spent what would be today about $5,500 on ice cream in the summer of 1790. Fun fact.
That's a lot of ice cream.
Yeah. A man's liked ice cream. I guess in his the inventory of his estate after death, they found 2 pewter ice cream pots. Man's liked ice cream. The old GW. You don't feel any granules of salt or sugar, but we're gonna keep mixing for good measure. And if there's a couple granules in there, it's really that aren't dissolved, it's not a huge deal. It's still gonna be good.
Since we're on the trend of fun facts, any ice cream I get with caramel in it, I actually put more salt on top of it. It's good.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. Alright, we're gonna kick up the heat a little bit. We're gonna get this too warm. Then we're gonna kill the heat. Let it cool for a couple hours, then put it through the old ice cream maker. But you need to stir or whisk constantly, or else you can scald this, and then you're not gonna have a good time. Should probably just start over if you do that. Alright, we'll call it good. Okay, so kill our heat. Everything's good and incorporated here. Dump her into a bowl. Put that in the fridge for a couple hours, probably 3-4 hours. Then we'll get to churning. Okay, it's 4 hours later. Manufacturer of this here Cuisinart ice cream maker recommends you chill it overnight. You don't have to do that. So, we're gonna pour our mixture into this guy here, which this has been kept in the fridge overnight. It's very cold, as you can see. Okay, so we have our cream in here. I'm gonna put it atop our churner there, nice and snug. Put in the rest of the equipment. Put the top on, and you hit on. That's literally it. About 20 minutes, we'll have ice cream. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Our cream is iced. Check it out. Pull this guy out of here. Scrape it away as best as we can. That is some great consistency right there. Now we clearly have ice cream. You can eat it all right now, which we probably will, or you can throw it in a container, throw it in the freezer, stay good for a while. But it's probably just better to eat it now. By the way, you can get one of those ice cream makers off of the Amazons for like 60, 70 bucks. That's what I got that one for. And if you make your own ice cream, save a lot of money going out to get ice cream with the kids and such. And you don't have to use almond extract. You don't have to use any extract. Just do the cream, the milk, sugar, salt, then you can add whatever you want. Make whatever flavor you want. If you want to throw candy in there, you want to have a cup of M&Ms, Snickers, whatever you're feeling. Anyway, we've got work to do. Avocado.
The best of flavors.
Really good. I know we could. It's been done.
Wait, no, three-man weave. We need a three-man weave.
Is that infinity weave?
Excuse me, through ice cream all things are possible. Is it possible?
I'm super proud of us for that.